Drone technology has already proven to have delivered big improvements on on-site safety, site efficiency, and comprehensive and accurate data in industries such as mining, security, and utilities. The convergence of highly automated autonomous drone technology, artificial intelligence, and improved communications networks are allowing these innovations to be integrated at a rapid pace, anywhere, anytime. While drones are an efficient and cost-effective way to gather information, Australia is a vast continent, and deploying resources to each site on multiple occasions can be both time-consuming and costly. Many sites are not easily accessible from capital cities, require a large amount of travel time and cost, or require the same highly skilled staff to be in different places at the same time. So if your organisation demands real-time visuals and data, wants to avoid unnecessary time, cost, and environmental impact of moving valuable resource across the country, then the Hover UAV Remote Command Centre is the solution for you. Our team of experienced aviation professionals are located centrally in our Hover Remote Command Centre, HRCC. Our remote pilots are professional, qualified, and experienced, being able to command multiple drones or remotely piloted aircraft across multiple sites. We provide everything you need to deliver a cost-effective, autonomous drone program and process everything from regulatory permits, operation manuals, qualified and competent remote pilots, and effective ground control setup, including communications and data management. The raw data, processed data with AI, or imagery collected can feed straight back to any location in line with client requirements, either to on-site personnel, client offices around the world, or can be sent to our HRCC to process for further actions. At Hover UAV, we believe in drones enabling safe, efficient operations that everyone can access. The Hover Remote Command Centre is the next step in providing this to organisations around the world.